In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paper trade Moomoo. Paper trading is a safe, simulated way to practice trading without risking real money. Think of it as a training ground. You get a virtual balance, often around $1 million, and you can place practice trades in stocks, options, or futures using real-time market data. None of it touches your actual brokerage account, so it's perfect for learning the platform and testing strategies before you go live. Let's start on the desktop app. Download and open the Moomoo platform on Windows or Mac. Sign in or set up a practice login if you're brand new. On the left-hand menu, look for Paper or Paper Trade and open it. You'll see an option to activate your paper trading account. Turn that on. Once it's active, your virtual cash balance will be visible, and you're ready to simulate trades. From here, pick your market and asset. Choose a stock, option, or futures contract supported in your region, then open the order panel. Just like live trading, you can select order types such as market or limit, set your quantity, and review the estimated cost. Submit the order, and you'll see it fill based on real-time quotes. Your positions, buying power, and P&L will update in the paper account, mirroring how they would behave in a real account, without any real risk. If you prefer not to install software, some regions also provide a web-based paper trading site. When available, you can sign in from your browser, claim your virtual funds, and place simulated stock trades directly online. Availability and supported markets can vary by location and version, so what you see may differ depending on where you're accessing from. A few helpful notes and tips as you practice. Paper trading uses real-time data and supports many of the same order types you'll see in live mode, making it a realistic way to learn order entry and execution behavior. Market access can differ by region. For example, you may have access to U.S. stock markets, but not every global exchange. Short selling and some advanced order types may be limited in paper mode depending on the asset, so if an order type isn't available, that's normal. And remember, this is a great environment to test ideas in stocks, options, and futures, refine your timing, and get comfortable with the workflow before putting any real capital at risk. That's the process for paper trading on Moomoo. Activate the paper account, choose your market and asset, place your simulated trades, and learn from the results. Risk-free.